Hi tech lovers, welcome back to Dudes Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter you can find today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Joyroom Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter. Let's get started. Product feature. Experience deep, powerful audio with a single press of the B button, delivering high-fidelity stereo sound that brings your favorite music to life for an immersive drive. Dual integrated microphones with CVC noise reduction and echo cancellation ensure your hands-free calls are perfectly clear, making it easy to stay connected safely. Stay powered up with an 81-watt total output featuring a 45-watt PD 3.0 and 36-watt QC 3.0 port designed to quickly charge devices from Samsung, Apple, Xiaomi, and Google. Equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 chip, this device provides a faster, more secure, and ultra-stable connection for uninterrupted streaming on every trip. Enjoy the freedom to choose how you listen by supporting both seamless Bluetooth streaming and UDisc playback for your entire stored music library. The vibrant 7-color LED light bar adds a modern touch to your car's interior while improving nighttime visibility and showing real-time voltage levels for safety. Drive with peace of mind thanks to built-in protections against overheating in short circuits, plus wide compatibility with 12-volt to 24-volt vehicle sockets. Pros: it's like having a reliable companion for your daily travels. The fast charging is a total lifesaver when you're in a rush, and that bass boost button truly transforms your car into a private concert hall. It's incredibly easy to use, and the stable Bluetooth 5.4 connection ensures your music never skips a beat. It genuinely makes every single journey feel more connected and fun. Cons: while the 7-color LED lights add a lovely bit of flair, they might feel a little bright for some during pitch-black night drives. Also, to enjoy the full 81-watt charging speed, you'll want to make sure you're using high-quality cables that can handle that power. Final thoughts. Choosing the right tech for your car is about making your daily life smoother. This transmitter brings a modern soul to any vehicle, blending great sound with the security of fast charging. It's a small upgrade that provides a massive boost to your comfort, ensuring you're always connected to the people and music you love most while staying safe on the road. Upgrade your driving experience today. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Dudes Tech and like this video.